What is object programming? Object programming is a way of writing code using objects, just like real life. Think like this. In real life, you have objects like cars, students, mobiles. In Python, you also create objects with properties and actions. Properties means data and actions means functions. Key idea. Object oriented programming equal class plus object. And what is class? Class you can compare like a blueprint, design or template. An object is real things created from the blueprint. One of the real life example, like think about a car. Color is red, brand Toyota, action drive. In this OSM OOP also work. Let's say a simple example. Create a class. Class name is car and we define drive equal to self and print the car is moving. Let's start the example. Here car equal to class, right? And drive function means action, right? We can copy and paste it here and shift enter. Okay. Then step 2, create object. Create object. My car equal to car. Object is real car. Copy, paste, shift enter. Now let's try use the object. Then we can see the output. Shift enter. Now you can see the car is moving. Thank you for watching.